Are you struggling with Firebase authentication and getting stuck on domain verification? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the common issue of Firebase not verifying your domain and how to fix it. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you follow all the steps, only to be met with an error message. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall. You're definitely not the only one facing this issue. Let's take a closer look at a specific case. One user reached out saying they have a Firebase account and want to customize the email address for verification. They followed the instructions and set up their domain with 1&1, but after 2 days, they received a verification error. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this verification issue? It often boils down to incorrect DNS settings, propagation delays, or even issues with the domain registrar. Don't worry, we will break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that can help you avoid this problem in the future. To begin resolving the issue with Firebase authentication, the user should first verify that their domain is correctly set up in the Firebase console. This includes ensuring that the domain is listed under the Authorized Domains section. Next, the user needs to confirm that the DNS settings for their domain are properly configured. This involves checking that the necessary TXT records are added to their domain's DNS settings as specified by Firebase. After confirming the DNS settings, the user should allow some time for the changes to propagate. This can take anywhere from a few hours to up to 48 hours, depending on the DNS provider. If the user still encounters issues after waiting, they should check for any typos in the domain name or the TXT records. Even a small error can prevent verification. Finally, if all else fails, the user can reach out to Firebase support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on the user's account and setup. Fun fact, did you know that the internet's first domain name was registered in 1985? It was symbolics.com. Just like that domain, yours deserves to be verified. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution suggests checking for a trailing space in your TXT record. This user points out that such a space could cause verification issues. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep a record of your DNS settings and changes. This can save you a lot of headaches in the future. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve your Firebase domain verification issue. Remember, patience is key with DNS changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.